Welcome to my channel. I am the natural one. You're watching One Stop Watch number 9.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm the Natural One, and this is another One Stop Watch video number 9. So you guys, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my first son. He's rolling around in the grass. He think I give him baths so he can roll around and get grass stains. But anyway, that's my son. If you have any fur children, please leave a heart emoji or animal emoji down below. So anyway, you guys, let's get into this video. We have week 5 potatoes and garlic, and you guys, look how well my garlic and potatoes are doing. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. And this is my first time growing potatoes and my second attempt at growing garlic, and it is looking good. Moving on to week 19 mint, and I just want to give a backstory for those who are maybe new to my channel. Thanks for watching. I bought this mint, fresh mint from Aldi's, the fresh cuttings. 19 weeks later, this is what I have, and it was looking way better than this, but it's trying to go to seed, so that's why it looks all stickish. If you want to know how to grow your own mint from store-bought cuttings, you got 19 weeks worth of data on my channel, and from the beginning, I will continue to give weekly updates until the plant actually purrs, because there's nothing like watching a video on how to do something and then there's no updates on the upkeep. And so I just like to give updates and document, because it's nothing like it. Moving on to the mystery seed, you guys, look how big my mystery seed is getting. It is definitely a spaghetti squash. It's a little white, but it's looking good. It's looking good, right? Listen, I haven't grew spaghetti squash in years, and I had these seeds in my refrigerator and I didn't properly label it, and I couldn't figure out what seeds were these, but now it is a spaghetti squash. I'm thankful that the seeds are still good after being in a refrigerator in a container at the bottom of the door. Like, it's still good. Alright, you guys, up next is the cucumber in a milk crate, because the corn is not there, okay? The corn has perished, and I don't want to get rid of it because I don't know if the roots are entangled with the cucumber, and look how well my cucumber is doing. So the eyesore is staying. Alright, you guys, let's get into my sugar baby watermelon. You guys, I have 3 sugar baby watermelons that has been pollinated. This is the baby of the baby sugar watermelons. It has grew over into the container with the radishes that I'm letting go to seed. It latched on to the stem of the flowering radishes. Over there, that is a little baby sugar baby watermelon. And this is Big Baby Sugar Baby Watermelon here. Look at it. Aww. Here I'm just checking to see if there are any more watermelons that I didn't see before. Here is the cauliflower that keep getting ate down to stem. Is still surviving. I think next year if I decide to grow this again, I'm actually going to put a net over it so that way that can stop a little critter from eating my cauliflower. Up next is the ginger, and this is my first time growing ginger, you guys, and looking at the green leaves, it looks like I'm doing something right, even though this ginger is in this little container. I also have some ginger in the same pot with the mystery seed, and this is a bigger pot compared to that blue one, and hopefully I get bigger ginger in this one. Look who made a comeback, you guys. It is the kale. I guess it didn't like being called a succulent, so it made a comeback, and I'm gonna try to harvest it before it get ate up again. So this is my herb container, which consists of kale, lettuce, thyme, and spinach. And the spinach already went to seed, which I have a video on how to harvest spinach seed, and the lettuce are going to seed as well, so I'm gonna harvest those. Alright, you guys, I have more habanero peppers in this tower. The tower consists of different type of peppers and eggplants. I have 2 eggplants that has been pollinated. Although I have different types of peppers in here, I only have seen habanero peppers, and I am not complaining because I love the taste of habanero peppers. Alright, you guys, let's get into this milk crate with tomatoes and onions. I have not harvested any onions, by the way. Alright, you guys, this is the milk crate with the tomatoes and basil, and I have harvest basil. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and please consider subscribing if you have not. Your support is really appreciated, you guys. But let's get into harvest time. Now, I don't know what happened to the footage that when I was dropping them in one by one, and I couldn't redo it because they was already eaten by the time I realized the footage was not there. Well, at least you get to see some dropping into the container. Well, this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, click here.